This simple fertilizer that we are going to make in this video improves soil structure and enhances nutrient retention, making nutrients more available to plants over time. It boosts microbial activity by providing a habitat for beneficial soil microorganisms, leading to healthier soil ecosystems. It supports plant growth and yield by improving soil conditions and nutrient availability. This sustainable and cost-effective fertilizer also enhances water retention, promoting better water use efficiency in plants. We call it the Biochar liquid fertilizer. To create Biochar liquid fertilizer, start by preparing a mixture of 2 kilograms of compost or fully decomposed manure in a 5-gallon bucket filled with 15 liters of water. At the same time, crush 1 kilogram of biochar into small pieces and place it in another container of water to activate it. Biochar, a highly porous form of charcoal derived from organic materials, serves as a valuable soil amendment due to its ability to enhance soil fertility and structure. Allow both mixtures to steep for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, the compost or manure infuses the water with essential nutrients, while the biochar absorbs water and begins to charge with nutrients and microbial life. After the steeping period, combine the activated biochar with the liquid fertilizer mixture. Stir thoroughly to ensure proper integration of the biochar particles into the solution. Next, strain the liquid fertilizer to remove any solid particles, resulting in a smooth, nutrient-rich solution ready for application. This strained liquid can be used in 2 primary ways to benefit plants and soil health. Before using, dilute it with 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. Firstly, the biochar liquid fertilizer can be applied directly to the soil around the base of plants. This method enriches the soil with essential nutrients, improves soil structure, and enhances microbial activity. Alternatively, the diluted liquid fertilizer can be used as a foliar spray applied directly onto the leaves of plants. This allows for the efficient uptake of nutrients by the plant's foliage, promoting vigorous growth and healthy development. Biochar liquid fertilizer offers numerous benefits, including improved soil structure, enhanced nutrient availability, and support for beneficial soil microbes. By following this method, you can create a sustainable and cost-effective fertilizer to boost the health and productivity of your plants while enriching the soil for long-term sustainability. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips to our channel. Today, we're going to share a secret recipe that will make your garden flourish like never before. We'll show you how to create a powerful mixture that boosts soil health and helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. This special blend will improve your soil's water-holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stick around to see how you can easily make this amazing mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. Let's get started. In this episode, we are going to use biochar, compost, and compost tea to make most powerful liquid mixture. Biochar is made by roasting organic matter at high temperatures with little oxygen. This process preserves the structure of the material, creating porous fragments with tiny chambers. These chambers can hold water, nutrients, and beneficial microbes. Biochar also improves the soil's water-holding capacity and nutrient retention, making it more drought-resistant and fertile. We are going to first activate and make a liquid biochar mixture that will improve our soil quality by a lot. So let's get started. First, we need about 2 kilograms of compost, and then we need 1 kilogram of biochar. First, crush them into small pieces before use. We will mix these ingredients very well. Now, to make it more powerful, instead of adding normal water, we will add compost tea in it. If you don't have compost tea, use non-chlorinated water. Now mix them really well. And cover the 5-gallon bucket with breathable cloth for a minimum of 3 days. The longer, the better. When we let the mixture sit for several days, it allows the microbes to multiply and colonize the biochar, making it even more effective when added to the soil. This process, known as charging the biochar, ensures that it is ready to support plant growth immediately upon application. We let our mixture sit for 7 days. After 7 days, you can see how powerful the mixture seems. Now you can use the mixture to feed your plants, but it will be a great addition to your garden beds at the start of the growing season. First, we will water our bed because the mixture contains millions of microbes, and they will die if there is no water. After watering, we will just throw this excellent mixture on top of the soil. Now let me explain why this mixture will be good. By combining biochar with compost and compost tea, we create a supercharged amendment for our soil. The biochar's porous structure provides an ideal habitat for beneficial microbes, which are essential for healthy soil and plant growth. These microbes help break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to plants. The compost adds organic matter and nutrients to the mixture, while the compost tea introduces even more beneficial microorganisms and nutrients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials. It's not just for burning or grilling food. If you use it the right way, it can become one of the most powerful tools in your garden. It can hold on to nutrients and water for a long time and provide shelter for countless helpful microbes. But before we can use charcoal in the garden, we need to turn it into something called biochar. Biochar is simply charcoal that has been activated with microbes and nutrients. When used in the garden, this activated form improves soil health for years. It doesn't break down quickly like compost or fertilizers. It stays in the soil and keeps giving. To make biochar, the first thing you need is some plain charcoal. This could be from a firewood stove or any other natural source, as long as it doesn't have chemicals or lighter fluids in it. Now take the charcoal and crush it into very small pieces. If possible, try to turn it into powder. The smaller the pieces, the more surface area they will have to hold nutrients and microbes. Powder form is the best because it can mix easily with soil and provide more homes for microbes. Now comes the part where we give this charcoal something to absorb. Nutrients. For this, we will collect different types of weeds from the garden. These weeds might seem useless, but they contain lots of nutrients inside them. Cut them into small pieces so they can break down faster. Place all the crushed charcoal and chopped weeds into a large bucket or container. This mixture will become the food for the microbes and the base for our biochar. To introduce microbes into this mix, we will add some good garden soil. Try to choose soil that is full of life. Soil from under trees, compost pile, or near healthy plants. Just a couple of handfuls are enough. This soil will have the microbes we need to activate the charcoal. Next, we will add non-chlorinated water. Chlorinated tap water can kill the good microbes we're trying to grow. If you can, use rainwater or let tap water sit out for 24 hours before using it. Add enough water to cover the entire mixture in the container. Stir it well to mix everything evenly. Now cover the container loosely, not airtight. This allows air to come in while keeping pests out. We will now let this mixture sit for at least 7 days. During this time, the microbes from the garden soil will multiply and spread throughout the mix. They will start moving into the tiny holes inside the charcoal pieces, making homes there. At the same time, the weeds will start breaking down and releasing nutrients. These nutrients will be absorbed by the charcoal. By the end of a week, you will have a bucket full of nutrient-rich, microbe-filled liquid and activated charcoal pieces. Your charcoal is now officially biochar. You can now use this in 2 powerful ways. The first method is for preparing your garden bed at the start of the growing season. First, give water to your garden bed. This is very important. If your soil is dry and you pour biochar directly on it, the dry soil will suck out the moisture and kill many of the microbes. So always water the soil first, then pour the biochar mixture onto the garden bed. Mix it lightly into the topsoil. This will give your soil a huge boost. The biochar will hold nutrients, and the microbes will help plants grow stronger. Over time, the biochar keeps working in the soil, improving it year after year. The second method is to use the liquid from the container as a mild fertilizer for your plants. For this, take 1 part of the liquid and mix it with 10 parts of water. This means if you take 1 cup of the liquid, mix it with 10 cups of water. Now pour this diluted solution around the base of your plants. You can do this every 2 weeks. This helps feed your plants with nutrients and increases the number of helpful microbes in the soil. The microbes improve the plant's ability to absorb nutrients and protect them from diseases. There are many benefits to using biochar this way. First, your soil will become richer and more alive. Microbes are the hidden workers in the garden. They break down organic matter, make nutrients available to plants, and even protect plants from harmful bacteria. Second, the charcoal will hold water and nutrients for a long time. It acts like a sponge, slowly releasing them to the plant roots. Third, your plants will become stronger and more productive. They will grow faster, produce more flowers, fruits and vegetables, and stay healthy for longer. Another great thing is that you don't need to spend money on fancy fertilizers or products. You're using garden waste, weeds, soil, and water, things you already have. And the charcoal, once added to the soil, doesn't disappear. It stays for years and keeps improving the soil again and again.